Hare Krishna. Dear Srila Prabhupada, please ask my apologies. All good to you. I feel very much blessed to glorify you on this your appearance day. Ideally, your glories have to be sung daily at all times, as your contribution for the society and for the whole world is unimaginable. I was rotten in the material world in the lap of Maya in ignorance and thinking that sense gratification is the goal of life. But devotees came in my life, explaining the teachings which you had given in so simple and easy way to understand. Especially in early days, I just started coming to ISKCON. I heard devotees taking vow in initiation for 4 regulative principles, which are mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam first canto. And seeing the situation of degradation of the Kali Yuga, you made that as exclusive vows to be taken during initiation. That was so inspiring to me, that you have took the essence of scriptures and you have given so nicely to all devotees so that we can elevate from our consciousness. This year is very special because of your 125th birthday anniversary. All over the world it is being celebrated. Especially in Pune, we have started Bhaktivedanta Raj Vidyalaya, by which all devotees are able to systematically study your books, because that was your desire. As you had mentioned about Bhakti Shastri, Bhakti Vaibhav, Bhakti Vedant, Bhakti Sarvabhaum, these courses should be studied so that all devotees will get systematic study of all your books. So I was very weak in studying your books, but now because of this training of Bhaktivedanta Raj Vidyalaya, we are able to relish your purports and develop deeper understanding, clear vision, and develop the urgency how you are giving in your purports. So that we can practice pure devotional service, understand your compassion and concern for all jivas on behalf of Supreme Lord, and how we can also develop more and more attraction and attachment to the Lord. So we are very much blessed to study your books very systematically. And anyone who reads can surely come to the conclusion that human life is very rare and not to waste it for sense gratification, but perfect it in a simple method of chanting holy name as given in Kali Yuga. So by your mercy, we are having 2 buses currently in Sankirtan as a bus party, where we distribute your books, and 3rd bus is about to get complete. It's getting completed now. So we are engaged in spreading your mission in towns and villages of Maharashtra, and by your mercy every month we are getting this opportunity to distribute these books to villagers, and we feel so much satisfaction when we distribute these 2 books to others, and we meet so many people who are hankering for these books. So even in the time of COVID lockdown, we had opportunity to go out and distribute books. And as you had mentioned that I have created a house in which whole world can live, so we can really see how people are taking your books and this mission very seriously. Please forgive me from my all offenses and bless me so that I can continue to be in your mission as being humble servant of all devotees without getting pride, and able to distribute your message as much as possible before this body becomes invalid. In one of the class, His Holiness Radhananda Swami Maharaj was telling that how in Boston you was revealing to the devotees that I am simply praying to Radha Krishna that I never forget them and fall into Maya. So you are teaching us that how much we should be fearing to Maya and fearing of falling down from to Maya. So we should be afraid to ever forget Krishna and have positive fear of Maya. So I am very touched by your attitude of this prayerful mood, your compassion for all jivas, and I am very grateful for all these gifts which you have given, especially holy name, temples, association of devotees, especially your sincere disciples and grand disciples, process of devotional service, books which are your ecstasies, Krishna Prasad, healthy lifestyle, and your exemplary life. So please bless me so that I can develop spiritual strength more and more to practice pure devotional service for your pleasure. Jai Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.